Okay, thank you very much. Please go back to your seats now. Uh-huh. So, the ceremony is for the wedding is over. The part 3 is dance for all. May we have a cha-cha music, please? Dance for all, na pangungunahan ng ating mga ninong at sa kaninang, ng ating mga mga padi, the mother, the parents of the bride and the groom, the visitors, the friends, the cousins, the members of the family. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all now invited to dance. Tatapos na yung kalaunan. Mga baraylihan na tabi kita. Thank you very much and good afternoon.